Gas chromatography mass spectrometry, commonly known as GC-MS, is one of the most powerful analytical techniques used across industries. However, deciding whether to perform GC-MS analysis in-house or outsource it to a contract laboratory is not just a technical choice. It is a strategic business decision. In this presentation, we will compare the cost implications, operational challenges, and practical considerations of in-house versus outsourced GC-MS testing to help you make an informed decision. GC-MS is considered a workhorse in analytical chemistry because of its exceptional specificity and sensitivity. It enables scientists to identify and quantify compounds, even in highly complex samples. In food testing, GC-MS is essential for detecting contaminants and ensuring consumer safety. In environmental analysis, it helps monitor pollutants at trace levels. In forensic investigations, it plays a crucial role in identifying unknown substances with high accuracy and confidence. While GC-MS offers unmatched analytical performance, these benefits come at a significant cost. Organizations must account for the initial purchase of the instrument, ongoing maintenance, and service contracts. In addition, skilled personnel are required to operate, maintain, and interpret results accurately. Consumables, gases, and facility infrastructure further add to the total cost of ownership, making GC-MS a substantial financial commitment. When conducting GC-MS analysis in-house, costs quickly add up. Instrument prices range from approximately $50,000 for basic setups to more than $200,000 for advanced systems. Annual maintenance typically costs 10 to 15% of the instrument's value. Consumables such as columns, syringes, septa, and carrier gases are recurring expenses. Additionally, employing skilled chemists and investing in continuous training are essential for reliable and compliant analysis. In-house GC-MS testing also requires appropriate laboratory infrastructure, including proper ventilation systems, safety compliance, and dedicated lab space. Beyond these visible costs, hidden expenses often create unexpected financial strain. Instrument downtime due to failures or maintenance delays can disrupt workflows. Regular calibration and validation are necessary to maintain accuracy, while limited staff capacity can lead to sample backlogs and slower turnaround times. Outsourcing GC-MS analysis involves sending samples to a specialized contract laboratory. The lab performs the analysis and delivers the results without requiring any capital investment from your organization. Pricing is typically calculated on a per-sample basis, starting around $50 for simple analyses and increasing to $500 or more for complex sample matrices. This model offers flexibility and predictable costs. One of the biggest advantages of outsourcing GC-MS analysis is the absence of upfront investment. Organizations gain access to experienced analysts and multiple GC-MS configurations without owning the equipment. This allows businesses to focus on their core operations while relying on experts for analytical testing. Outsourcing also provides access to specialized methods and technologies that may not be feasible to maintain in-house. Despite its advantages, outsourcing GC-MS analysis involves trade-offs. Turnaround times depend on the contract laboratory's schedule, which may delay urgent projects. Shipping samples introduces logistical costs and risks, especially for fragile or hazardous materials. Data ownership and confidentiality must be carefully managed through agreements. Additionally, for organizations with high testing volumes, outsourcing can become more expensive over time. When comparing in-house and outsourced GC/MS testing, sample volume is a key factor. Outsourcing is typically more cost-effective for low-volume testing, offering flexibility and pay-as-you-go pricing. In-house testing becomes economical once a high sample volume reaches the break-even point. Beyond cost, decision-makers must also consider expertise, urgency, sample diversity, and quality control requirements. GC/MS is a powerful analytical tool, but managing its costs requires careful planning. In-house testing is ideal for organizations with high sample volumes, recurring analyses, and trained personnel. Outsourcing is better suited for low volumes, specialized testing, and flexible needs. Ultimately, the best approach balances cost, speed, quality, and efficiency. The goal is not just to own a GC/MS system, but to make it work strategically for your organization.